Alright, so you've got a product to launch, or maybe you just want to get more eyes on something you already have. Forget about needing a huge email list. You gotta check out this YouTube research tool. Seriously, if you haven't tried influencer marketing, you're missing out. Think about it, everyone's fighting for attention these days. You might have the best product ever, but who cares if nobody sees it? Influencers have that attention. They've got audiences who actually listen to them. Getting your product in front of those people, that's like instant traffic. The problem is, finding those influencers can be a total pain. YouTube's got millions of videos going up every day. You can't just type in a keyword and hope for the best. You need to filter out all the noise and find the right creators. And that's where this tool comes in. It automates everything. Just pop in a keyword related to what you're selling and the tool gets to work. First, it gets rid of the junk. It only looks at videos with a decent number of views. So you're not wasting your time on channels that aren't really going anywhere. Then, it checks how recent the video is. Anything older than a week is probably losing steam. This tool makes sure you're only looking at what's currently trending. Finally, it focuses on videos that are between 4 and 20 minutes long. That 4-20-minute range is the sweet spot. Once it's done all that filtering, you get a list of video creators who are already making content that's getting attention in your niche. And these aren't just random YouTubers. They're building an audience, growing their brand, and they get the whole making money online thing. Now here's the cool part. It helps you find the right type of influencer. Forget about the superstars who want thousands of dollars up front. This tool helps you find the up-and-comers who are still trying to figure out how to monetize their content. They're way more open to things like affiliate deals. Sometimes, you don't even need them to make a new video. You can just pay them a bit to put your link at the top of their description. They've already done the work of making the video and getting the views. You're just giving them another way to make money from it. Plus, if they start making affiliate income just from that link, they're way more likely to do a full promotion of your product in a future video. It's a win-win. Imagine multiplying that effect by 10 or 20 creators. Suddenly, you've got a ton of people pushing your product and driving sales, all without needing a massive email list. The tool also gives you key stats like view count, upload date, and video length. And most importantly, it gives you a direct link to the creator's channel so you can reach out to them easily. The best part? This tool isn't going to charge you crazy monthly fees. It's just raw data that helps you grow your business. It's not just about research, it's about traffic, conversions, and getting your product seen by the right people at the right time.